Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Pleasure serving you. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Okay? Alright, so let's make some caramel oatmeal chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Caramel oatmeal chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Alright, you ready to do that? Okay. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so you can see I have a drop of oil on here. So I'm just going to rub that in. And this is so that the cookie comes up easily. So you see I have very little on this napkin. I'm going to turn it over and take the excess off. Okay. Now we're going to make 4 large cookies. You can push it down, leave it as is, whatever way you want to do it. I usually like to leave a little hump on mine so that it's not totally flat. And I'm making the large size cookies like you get at Subway or someplace like that. And try to get them all the same size so you can look it over and see if you need to add or take away. I think I'll need a little more now. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven on 350. And then I'm going to come back and give you the word of the day. And I'm going to show you how we're going to bag these up. Okay? 1 second. Okay, so the cookies are in the oven. I already bagged up 4 bags. So let me show you that. Okay, so I'm going to bag up 2 more bags in your presence. And then I'm going to put these into another bag to give it like a double seal. Okay, same thing here. I just put, this one needs a little more. Let me put some in. This is so that you can have hot cookies anytime you want. Just take it out. You can cut it frozen, put it on the cookie sheet, and put it right in the oven. Okay, so now let me show you how much I'm putting in a bag. Okay, so you see, I put that much in, and then you just want to bring it all down to the bottom, straight across, and make it so that it goes straight across, okay? Okay, double seal again, so you get the idea. Okay, I have one last bag to bag up. One last batch. Guys, look at that. Look how fudgy that looks. Huh? So you see how much I have in there, right? Okay, and I have a little bit left in here. I'm just going to throw in one of these bags I already have made up. Okay. Okay. So I want to count how many I have all together after I do this last one. Okay, so we have one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one cooking in the oven is 7. So we have 7 bags. Now, if you make the size that we have in the oven, which is cookies about that big, you're gonna have 6 in each bag. So 6 times 7 you're gonna have, and if you cut them in half and make them smaller, then you can get a dozen out of each bag. So that's pretty good, right? Okay, so soon as the cookies in the oven come out, then I'll show you them, and I'm going to show you when to take them out so that they're nice and soft and chewy, right? You don't want them hard. Okay, I'll be right back with the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is a house. A house. A house is not a home unless it's someone in it. A house represents you. A house represents your family. A house represents the love that you share with each other in your family, and the love of how you take care of your house. A house is something that you can possess or not possess. So if you possess a house, you can have all the loved ones and everybody in there with you as you show love. If you don't have a house, then the house is within you, where your mind is, how you think about things, how you keep your head together. That's your house, because everyone don't have a house. Some people are homeless. Some people live with others. Some people live in their car. So a house is where you make home. That's the word of the day, a house. Okay, so let me taste the, oh, here we go. We got the 3 chocolates there. We have chocolate, caramel, oatmeal, chocolate chip cookies. Oh, from scratch, guys. From scratch, guys. Okay, let me taste. So I want you to see on the bottom, It's not dark, not burnt. On the edge, it's not dark or burnt. Okay, that's how you want to cook your cookie. Okay, you don't want to leave it in there where it's real dark on the edge, because that means it's hard in the middle, and you want it nice and soft. Okay, so if I was to push on the bottom of this, see how my finger indented right in there? Soft. Okay, so that's how you can tell. Okay, so let me take a taste. Mmm. Wow. It tastes like fudge. Mmm. That is a home run. That is a home run. You guys have got to do that. The kids will love that. Okay? Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. So until next time, Grandma Ray Don't Play says bye-bye. Love you.